Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting prerequisites in place. Enroll in the Apple Developer Program and create an app ID and provisioning profiles. Once done, generate and install signing certificates, set the bundle identifier, and increment the version and build numbers. Next, build an archive in Xcode and upload the binary to App Store Connect. Make sure to select the correct signing team and profile. Errors here stop the process later, so double-check certificates before moving on. You now focus on the App Store Connect record. Create the app entry with name, bundle ID, and SKU. Then fill metadata fields, the description, promotional text, keywords, and localized screenshots for required device sizes, because these drive discoverability. Once done, configure privacy details, content ratings, supported regions, and any entitlements like push or in-app purchases. If using TestFlight, attach the uploaded build and invite internal testers. This helps catch review blockers before submission. You finish by selecting the uploaded build, completing the submission checklist, and submitting the app for review. Once submitted, monitor the review status in App Store Connect and respond promptly to any reviewer questions. Addressing rejection reasons quickly speeds approval. After approval, choose immediate release or a phased rollout, set pricing and availability, and schedule the release. Troubleshooting tip: if a build is rejected for metadata or crash issues, upload a fixed build and clearly explain changes in the review notes to resolve the block quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.